welcome you all. Again we will see with the problem relating to branch account. It is 2017 question paper. Check in the script, the problem number 5 and problem number 17 both are same. So whichever you want you can take, but go with the problem number 17. It's a clear question paper. Right. See the question number, that is 17. It's 2017 question paper, 14 marks. That is when goods sent at cost price. ಏನು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೋ ಅಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ರೈಟ್. ನೋ ಸಿ ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್. ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಆನ್ hand at branch on 1/4/2016, 10,000 opening stock debit side on branch account. Datas at branch, opening datas 4,000 debit side, and again it will come in the datas account to balance brought down. Next, petty cash at the branch. So it's a small amount which is required for the branch expenses. To opening petty cash in the branch account. Next, furniture at branch, it is an asset. Again to furniture amount 2,000. Prepaid insurance means the next year amount they paid now itself, then it becomes a asset to the organization. So asset opening balance, that is to prepaid insurance debit side. Next, outstanding salary is a payment should be made by the company to its employees. Right here head office has to send the amount to the, that is a branch for the payment of salary. So it is outstanding. They are not saying it's outstanding salary by closing. That is the outstanding salary. That is a opening liability, we can say. So credit side, that is a outstanding salary. Next, goods sent to branch, debit side, branch account. Cash sales by branch, by cash, that is a by bank account. Cash sales, credit side, it's a income to revenue to the head office. Next one. Credit sales by branch. Credit sales will be taken in the memorandum data account to credit sales. Next one. Amount collected by bank. They have collected the amount that is by bank account in branch account. Again, memorandum data account by cash account. Next. Amount received by head office directly from branch datas. So from the branch, they are branch datas. ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಯಾರು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಿದೆಯೋ ಅವರಿಂದ ಹೆಡ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇವ್ರು ಪೇ ಮಾಡೋದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅಗೇನ್ ಬೈ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್ here by bank account, cash received from branch, and that is the head office directly from branch datas. Everyone add one. Right. Next one. Discount allowed to branch data. When discount is allowed to the branch data, then the payment by the datas will decreases by discount allowed. Next one. Cash sent to branch for expenses. That is credits, debit side of the branch account. Rent, salary, petty cash, and insurance premium. There is an insurance premium in the year, that is the total amount is 600. Right. There is an adjustment relating to that. Paid up to 30th June 2017, the rate of 600 per annum. That is a prepaid insurance means what, next year ge pay ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದನ್ನ ಈ ವರ್ಷನೇ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ರೈಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ 600. ರೈಟ್. ಬಟ್ it is including of the prepaid insurance, and they are given for how many period or how many months they have paid the prepaid insurance. Total insurance premium into they paid up to 30th June 2017. The year ended closed at 31st March 2017. April, May and June. So more things extra pay ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ 3/12. So the prepaid insurance at this year is 150. Where you will go to write that is to credit side. Closing prepaid insurance 150 na closing side ಬರೀತೀರಾ. Next one. Goods return to head office from branch. Branch ಅವರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, goods ನ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So credit side. Next one. Stock on hand, that is the closing stock, credit side. Petty expenses at the branch 850. Here in this problem they have not given the closing petty cash. We have to find the closing petty cash. So that is take this petty expenses at the branch, debit side togoli, that is to bank account expenses petty expenses. Next again we are going to take that for the calculation of closing petty cash, right? Finally, depreciation on branch furniture is 10%. This we will going to deduct from furniture amount in the deduct ಮಾಡಿ closing furniture na ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ, right? See one by one. First we are going to prepare the branch, that is the debtors account. What are the information required for the debtors? That is we need opening stock, closing stock, credit sales, amount received. ಇದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲೌಡ್, ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್, ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಡೆಟ್ಸ್, ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇವ್ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು, ರೈಟ್? ಅಪ್ಲೈ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಏನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಡೇಟಾಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 4000, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರಾಟ್ ಡೌನ್ 4000. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ there is a credit sales to credit sales amount 40,000. Next again they are making payment to the head office or amount ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. That is entry amount received from debtors branch, that is by cash account, that is collected head office or ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, that is collected amount 35,000 and received ಇವರು ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾದಂತ ಡೇಟಾಸ್ ಇಂದ ಹೆಡ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, that is received from branch debtors 2,000, totally 37,000 total amount credited to head office account. Next same this entry will come in the branch account allu barutte. Next one, there is a discount allowed rupees 100. See, there is one sales return, that is goods returned to branch by debtors. Goods returned to branch by debtors. ಇವರು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅವರು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇವರಿಗೆ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. Then it becomes the sales return, that is by goods returned by branch debtors. That is what we call sales return. Very simple, sales return. Amount 2,000. Make it total 44,000 debit side and again 44,000 same to the credit side. Next, by balance carried on. It is a closing, that is amount, that is 4,900 is closing debtors amount. This we will going to write in credit side of the branch account. Next, see one by one how to prepare the branch account. That is opening stock, opening stock is 10,000. Next, there is opening debtors in the branch, opening debtors amount 4,000. Next, to petty cash balance is there, petty cash amount 500. Next, there is a furniture amount 2,000. Again, to prepaid insurance amount 150. Next, to goods sent to branch, for that current year 80,000. These are the opening balances and opening stocks, that is opening assets. Next, again come to the following liabilities by outstanding salary. Outstanding salary. Outstanding salary amount 100. Next, there is an expenses in the branch, that is to bank account. These are the amounts sent by the head office that are used for salaries, rent, salary, rent, petty cash, and next insurance premium. Insurance premium. Salary amount 2,400, rent 2,000, petty cash 1,000, and the insurance premium 600. Total is 6,000 of expenses. Write out. Next, again write on the credit side by bank account or cash account. By bank account, there is cash sales. There is a cash sales in the branch that will be remitted to where? To the head office. Our matte amount na kalaskodtare. That is 1,30,000. Next, amount collected 35,000. Next, received is 2,000. Totally 1,67,000 is the amount remitted, credited, received, collected, along everything. So our ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Next, again come back and see all the closings. By goods returned by branch. Goods returned by branch amount, that is 1,000. Next, find all the closing balances by closing stock, which is given in the problem. Amount 5,000. 5,000. Next, by closing debtors. Closing debtors we are calculated in the memorandum debtors account, that is a by balance carried on. It's in working note number 1, 4,900. Next, by petty cash. Closing petty cash. How to find out the closing petty cash? So another entry is there, that is the debit side, to bank account, that is petty expenses paid by manager. Manager pay ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. So manager at branch. Amount is 850. 850. Now, how to find out the closing petty cash? Opening petty cash 500 plus the received petty cash from head office 1,000 minus the 850, which is made expenditure in the branch, that is 1,500 minus 850. The amount is 650. That is a closing petty cash. 650. Next, by furniture. Closing furniture value. How to find out the closing furniture value? Opening value 2,000 minus depreciation amount. The depreciation is at 10%. 10% depreciation. That is 2,000 minus 200. Then the balance is 1,800 is closing furniture. Next, by closing prepaid. That is a prepaid insurance. by closing prepaid insurance. That is how to calculate. During the year, insurance premium paid is 600, but it is paid more than the year. ಆ ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. That is they paid for 3 months up to 30th June 2017. That is 3 divided by 12 and the prepaid is 150 rupees. Right. Make it total. Both the side, that is 1,80,600. It's a credit amount. Next, make it balance to general P&L account. Profit amount 77,950. 77,950. A very simple problem. That is how to prepare the branch account. Opening assets, opening expenses will come under, that is debit side, and again goods sent to branch, debit side, goods returned to branch, credit side. Next, any expenses, that is amount transferred from head office to the branch for the expenses, debit side. Next, any opening liabilities, credit side. Any expenses, other further expenses in the form of the petty cash, debit side. Next, any amount received from head office, that is from branch, that is cash sales, amount collected, amount received, all this. Next, goods returned. Next, all the closing balances, opening stock, closing balance, opening data, closing data, petty cash, right? Next, furniture. So keep in mind, if they are given any fixed asset, ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ ದಿ ಡೆಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್, and in this one that is prepaid insurance, that is what we call prepaid expenses. These are all. So a very simple problem. Go through the problem and understand it is 2017 question paper, 14 marks. Thank you. Next we'll say with the problem number 6.